In under 10 minutes, I'm going to be sharing with you the ad formats that are absolutely printing money for us and our clients. And after $50 million in spend, I'm going to show you what ads are working to generate B2B decision makers at valuable companies, whether small, whether medium size, or whether enterprise. And if you're a B2B SaaS or you're a service-based company and you're looking to generate more qualified calls and qualified leads for your thing, stick around. I'm going to show you what ads are working. If you don't know me already, my name is Jake. Like I said before, we generated hundreds of thousands of leads and tens of thousands of booked calls, over $50 million in spend for ourselves and our clients. And we work with B2B SaaS and service companies. And so if you've been stuck on referrals, if you've been stuck spending money into the ether on ads, if you don't know what content converts, if you want some ideas about what is working now in the marketplace, I'm going to be showing you the ad formats that are just absolutely printing. And we're going to be doing it under 10 minutes. This is going to be a short one. This will be a quick one. Without further ado, let's check this out. So I call this ad right here, these ads that I'm going to show you, objection or obstacle ads. So this requires a level of understanding of your prospect that is deeper than below the surface. Meaning, as you can see here, like this is very easy to understand. Like, oh, okay, we want to work with B2B SaaS and service companies over $500K a year in revenue. That's fine. Okay. And I call them out still up here. But the thing is that in sales calls, time and time again, we always hear, oh, my market is changing. Oh, the things are changing. Oh, this is changing. Oh, how it used to be. This kind of conservatism mindset. Literally, the headline is, you're wrong. It's dry because you're doing 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's exactly what they're doing. So it all revolves around an understanding of who your best customer is, not just like that they're this industry and that they're this person, but what do they believe? What do they care about? What are they thinking about? What have they tried? What makes them them, and what do they identify with? And so the reason why this ad is just printing calls for like $200 a piece and less is because it's just like, this is exactly what they think. Of course, always going to something for free to build value and engagement before asking them to book a call. Next one here. We love this one because we love to work with folks who are kind of, I wouldn't say past their prime, but they've been in the game for a while. And so when you've been in the game for a while, you kind of see the forest through the trees where it's like old dog, new tricks, kind of difficult to understand. So this whole AI thing and there's all this FOMO of like, well, there's all this new stuff happening. What do we do? What do I do? How can I benefit, right? When you see new players coming into the space, you see younger people coming into the space, you kind of feel a little bit like out of touch. We just know because our demographic is just a little bit older, and we know that they feel like they need to act on something or they're going to get left behind. I was talking to a really good copywriter, really well-known copywriter of mine, who was like, oh, this one may not land well, but it just works. It just works. It's what they feel. So everything that I'm talking about here is all psychographic based. All the feelings, the proclivities, the inspiration, the fear, these things that take some time to understand about your prospect as you look at the calls and as you listen to the calls and as you do more research and understand more about your perfect customer. How we do this for our clients is we go through a Sherlock Holmes process, which if you want to grab that, you can click below, you can grab our DIY training. This is what really makes this work. This has routinely been under $200 cost per qualified call. And the banger one, the one that I've been running for the last 2 years, is this one. Now, it sort of combines the first one and the second one together because anybody who's been in the game since 2013 knows that I have not evolved with the market. I know it has been working. I have this thorn in my side. And this may seem like a very simple ad, right? Like not a lot going on here, a graveyard of stuff. They've tried to do the hey first name. They tried to do the cold email. They tried to do the LinkedIn DM. There's this feeling that I am not up to date. Right? There's FOMO here, which is a really strong emotional trigger. So this is just because I understand that our best customer has been around before 2013. And so these absolutely bang. Objection and obstacle ads. Now, we have value and story ads. Let me pull this up for you too. Now, these just are meant to bring more engagement to you and your brand and your company. So how this works is we want to demonstrate just a little bit more about kind of what we do and how it works and why I exist and things like this. So this is a story of me. Essentially, I'm talking about how, oh, here's me at rock bottom. Here's what I went through, what my life is like and what's going on here. And I use this as retargeting. You know, once people book a car, they become a lead, they can learn more about why we exist and the face behind the brand. If you don't have any founder story ads or any videos like this to build that engagement and that trust with your audience, businesses don't buy from businesses, people buy from people. So you want to lead with people. Another one is just like anything that you're learning, anything that you understand. This one's difficult because if you're an expert in your space, it's hard to imagine what it was like to not know what you know now. But AI is a huge topic. This isn't really related to running ads or booking calls and stuff like this, but it's relevant because this is going to help me. Then I want to take the next step and see what else they have to offer. And then we have the content one, and I can also show you another one here of some value-based stuff. This one about if I wanted to get pre-sold qualified calls, here's what I would do. So I'm just describing, I'm giving value to every interaction. It's a strong hook, and then 1, 2, 3 about the value that I can provide, and then it's just a soft CTA at the end. And then the last ad format here that bangs is going to be identity ads. So this is more direct. This is going to be like something like this with B2B SaaS. So we just helped our client Momentum.io get acquired by Salesforce, and we helped them. However, you don't just need qualified leads and qualified calls because Momentum was acquired. So it's essentially, hey, we helped, if you're identity, if you're the person, right, B2B software companies, we helped so-and-so get acquired by Salesforce. Here's what happened. Here's why it worked, right? So it's identity. It's like, if you are this person, stick around. This one is, if I were to start over and start booking more qualified calls and build an entire engine to fill the calendar with qualified calls, here's what I would do. That's just very relatable, identity-focused content. Like, my customer wants to know how to go from start to finish to book qualified calls, right? That's, in essence, really what it is. Some additional ones here that I want to mention. By the way, with the Andromeda update, you need to be making a lot of ads. It's unfortunate, but you have to, right? We're making about 200 a week, give or take, and we just have to keep filling the pipeline. We have value or story ads. You have objection and obstacle ads, and you have identity ads. These are going to be easiest for you to rip just because you can use Nano Banana to make these. Okay, the value and story is going to require a little bit more effort and time because you have to film it and things like this. A couple things here. I want to provide some awesome value if you don't hate me for it, but we have a campaign called the B2D campaign. You just saw this before. This is where I have the story-based ads. This one's going to retarget people who book a call. And what that's going to do is it's just going to be a traffic campaign. So it's cheap. You don't have to spend a lot of money to show it to a lot of people. And you can just traffic to the page, your Instagram page or your Facebook page or your LinkedIn page, something like this. And what you want to do is you want to retarget people who have booked a call in the last 14 or 30 days, or depending on how many booked calls you have. Because people who have taken that step with you to learn more, get more information, and have that conversation, you want to show up. And what this does is it boosts show rates, it boosts close rates, it also speeds up sales velocity, which is awesome. Obviously, you'll be better off and you'll get more sales and you'll get more business and you'll close more deals if you just show up more often. So this B2D campaign is banger, incredible. Just retarget that small few amount of people. It's not going to be a lot, and you want to just entrench them with as much information and as much videos and as much content as possible. Number 2 is obviously retargeting, but how we do retargeting, we do it in 2 different tranches. We do 3 different tranches. We do leads, we do viewers, and then we also do book a call. So leads, people who have become a lead or in the CRM or have taken the next step or downloaded something for free, I want to share with them case study content. I want to do value content, case study content. I want to do storyboard content, stuff like this. Viewers, I still want to do problem content. So problem, agitate, solution content. And I want to still demonstrate that, like, I know the problem really well. This is why you should download some stuff. Leads, this is going back to, hey, you need to book a call. People who've booked a call, we want to give them more opportunities. We're going to give really bottom of funnel stuff. Case studies. We want to do testimonial videos. We want to do long form YouTube videos. Oh my gosh, this bangs. If you have any long form videos at all, run those as retargeting ads to your hotter portions of your market. It just works really well. Look, if you're a B2B SaaS or service company, you're doing over $500K a year and you need to fill up your pipeline with qualified calls and qualified leads, and you want a guaranteed deal that we can provide you so you can do it with no risk. Not sure if I can help you yet. We have 14 slots available, 15 slots available month over month, or get the report and then you can book a call afterwards, and our team will see if we can help you. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.